Hello friends, this is class 6, subject English. Today we are going to begin a lesson from the book A Pact with the Sun, which is your supplementary book, and this is lesson 6, The Monkey and the Crocodile. This is going to be our lecture number 1. Points to be covered in today's class are, first of all, introduction to the lesson, then explanation of the lesson line by line will be given, thereafter discussion of previous homework, and at last homework will be assigned. Introduction. This story gives a message that we should not trust anyone blindly. We must think before taking any decision. This message has been conveyed through a friendship drama between a monkey and a crocodile. You might have also heard the story of a monkey and a crocodile. We'll begin that story. Once, on the bank of a river, a monkey made a home for himself in a tree laden with fruits. A monkey lived on a tree laden with fruits. He lived in it happily, eating to his heart's content the fruit of his choice. He was able to have fruit as per his heart's desire or wish, means he could eat the food which he really wanted. The monkey was happy but lonely and wanted a companion to talk to and share the fruits with. Companion means friend. He did not have any friends to talk to, so he used to feel lonely. But there was no one around, not even another monkey, till one day a crocodile appeared on the riverside. One day a crocodile came on the riverside. "Hello there," said the monkey. Monkey said him, "Hello. Do you live in this river?" Monkey asked him if he lived in that river. "Would you like to eat some fruit?" "Good morning," replied the crocodile politely. Monkey asked him if he lived in that river and if he would eat some fruits. The crocodile softly wished him good morning. "I did come here in search of food for myself and my wife. Nice of you to offer me fruits." Then the crocodile told him that he came there in search of food for himself and his wife. The crocodile also expressed his gratitude for offering him fruits. The monkey plucked some from the nearest branch and threw them down. Means the monkey plucked some fruits and threw some fruits to the crocodile. The crocodile found them delicious. Delicious means tasty. "Thanks," he said. "May I have some on my next visit?" The crocodile found it very tasty and thanked the monkey for it and asked if he could have fruits on his next visit too. "Certainly" means surely. "Certainly, as many as you like and some for your wife too," said the monkey. The monkey assured that he could have as much fruits as he wished. "Do come again, I am rather lonely here." Means the monkey also asked crocodile to visit again as he was lonely in that tree. The crocodile visited the monkey regularly and ate the fruits which his host threw down. Means he used to eat the fruits thrown by the monkey and used to take some home for his wife as well. He took some home for his wife. The monkey and the crocodile were now the best of friends. Means then they both became good friends. They talked and were never tired of talking. Means they talked endlessly. They talked about birds and animals, about the villages nearby, and the difficulties villagers faced in raising good crops for lack of rain. They talked about birds and animals, about villagers and the challenges in raising good crops because of less rain. One day the crocodile stayed with the monkey longer than usual. Means one day the crocodile got later than usual to be with a monkey than usual. His wife was annoyed. Annoyed means angry. His wife was annoyed, waiting and waiting for managing the little crocodiles that had just been hatched. His wife got angry for waiting and managing the little crocodiles all alone, because there were little crocodiles as well with the wife crocodile, because those little crocodiles had just been hatched. Those were baby crocodiles. She said, "Who is this friend of yours you are so fond of?" Means the wife crocodile asked the crocodile who was that friend whom he loved so dearly. "Oh, he is a very nice monkey," he replied. The crocodile replied that he was a monkey. He lives in a fruit tree, and he lived on a fruit tree. He sends fruits for you every day. Means it was the one who gave him fruits every day. "You don't expect me to climb trees, do you?" Means, of course, crocodiles cannot climb the trees. So, of course, monkey used to give the fruits to the crocodile. "A nice monkey, I'm sure," replied the wife with obvious sarcasm. Means his wife replied sarcastically that the monkey was nice. "If you ask me, this monkey should be my food. I want to eat his heart so much." Means his wife replied sarcastically that the monkey was nice, and she even wished to make that monkey her food. "What a foolish thing to say," shouted the crocodile. The crocodile shouted in anger and said that he could not kill a friend because the monkey was dear to him. And he said, "I can't kill a friend, though I won't mind a monkey occasionally for a change of taste." Means, though for a change of taste, he could have a monkey to eat. "You bring him here," ordered the wife. "I want to see him, so you can eat him," never declared her husband. His wife asked him to bring the monkey to her. The crocodile refused, which angered the wife. His wife was furious. Furious means angry. His wife was angry and she dived in to hide herself at the bottom of the river, leaving the little ones to pester their father. Pester means to irritate. So the crocodile refused, which angered the wife. She plunged into the river, leaving the children to trouble the father, to irritate the father. The crocodile was in a serious dilemma. Dilemma means to be or not to be situation. Whether to do this or to do that. Means he could not kill his best friend. On the other hand, he could not make his wife angry as well. So the crocodile was in a difficult situation. He loved his wife and was very fond of his friend too. As on one side it was his dear wife, and on the other side it was his beloved friend. Finally, he decided to be on the side of his wife. Of course, he had to live with his family. So, but in the end, the crocodile thought to be on his wife's side. She was his life partner after all. I know it's a sin to betray a friend, but I have no choice, he said to himself. Though it was a sin, it was not good to cheat a friend, he had no choice and therefore he decided to invite his friend. I invite the monkey home and hope for the best. So at last he decided to invite his dear friend monkey at his home. My wife wants you over for a meal, dear friend, said the crocodile when he visited the monkey next. The crocodile visited the monkey and invited him home. You must come home with me today with pleasure, said the monkey. The monkey accepted his invitation with pleasure and said that he was not a swimmer but he could ride on the crocodile's back. I am not a swimmer, but can ride on your back, and they set out. Of course, monkey is not a swimmer, so he sat at the back of crocodile and they set out. In the middle of the river, where the current was the strongest, the crocodile could no longer hide his intention. Means both of them started their journey, and in the middle of the river, where the flow of the water was very strong, the crocodile could not hide what he had in his mind. So he disclosed. Sorry, my friend, he said hesitatingly. Means while hesitating, he said sorry to his friend. The crocodile said sorry to monkey, but I have to go under water now. I have brought you here to kill you. What does this mean? So he disclosed to the monkey that he had brought him to kill him, and for this he had to go under water then. My wife cannot survive without eating your heart. Goodbye. Means his wife was unable to survive without eating the monkey's heart. So he asked sorry and bid him goodbye. The monkey was scared. Means he was disturbed to hear that. But he was sensible and clever like all monkeys. But he knew that how to come out of the danger. He kept a cool head. Calmly he said, I would do anything for you and your family. Means he knew that his life was in danger, but he kept cool. He was wise. He told the crocodile that he was ready to do anything for his family. You are my only friend. Means after all, what was the value of monkey's heart before his wife? So he said, what is a monkey's heart compared with the life of a crocodile's wife? So he was the monkey was buttering the crocodile and said, what was the value of a monkey's heart before his wife? But how foolish could you be? Why didn't you tell me before? Means, but why didn't the crocodile tell him all that on the tree itself? I would have brought my heart along. The monkey said he would have brought his heart along because he was he had a trick in his mind. So he said this, that he had forgotten his heart in the tree only. But where is your heart? Asked the crocodile innocently. The crocodile asked innocently where the monkey's heart was. I thought you carried it all the time. Of course not. It's there on the tree. Let's swim back at once and get it. Your wife must be waiting, replied the monkey, gaining confidence. In his view, the monkey must be carrying it with him all the time. The monkey refused. He said no confidently and replied that it was there on the tree only. So the monkey suggested that they should swim back so that he could get the heart back. Oh dear, what a mistake, hissed the crocodile. The crocodile murmured, over such a foolish mistake. They laughed loudly as the crocodile took a full turn to reach the tree. And the crocodile took a turn to go back to the tree. Both of them laughed. On the river bank, the monkey jumped onto the tree and heaved a deep sigh of relief. Means the monkey jumped onto the tree and felt relieved. He plucked a fruit or two from the nearest branch and throwing them down said, "Let your wife have some fruit rather than my heart." He told the crocodile to give those fruits. First of all, he pulled one or two fruits and threw them down, and then he told the crocodile to give those fruits to his wife rather than his heart, as fresh fruits were better for health. Fresh fruits are good for mind and body. He said that fresh fruits were good for mind and body. Goodbye, friend, and if you don't mind, we won't meet again. He asked him not to meet again and bid him farewell forever. The crocodile, sadder and wiser, shed a few tears which were genuine and turned back to go home. Hearing that, the crocodile felt sad and went back home, shedding his tears. As he felt very bad because he betrayed his friend, the dearest friend, Monkey. He was in a hurry to tell his wife a thing or two. Now we shall discuss the previous homework. What happens if Rag Deepak is sung properly? Answer. It produces heat which can burn everything around. Second, why did Tansin's enemies want him to sing the rag? Answer. They wanted him to sing Rag Deepak because they didn't like him and wanted to get rid of him. Why did Tansin agree to sing Rag Deepak? Answer. He agreed to sing Rag Deepak because he didn't want to say no to the emperor. He didn't want to displease him, so he agreed to keep his master's trust. What steps did he take to save himself? Its answer. He trained his daughter and her friend to sing Rag Megh. He also instructed them to sing the rag when the lamps would be lit. Did his plan work? How? Yes, his plan worked well. The girls started singing just as planned, and rain showers came and he was. Now it's time to assign you homework. Question 1. The monkey was happy living in the fruit tree, but his happiness was not complete. What did he miss? You are requested to write these answers in your rough notebook. Question number 2. What did the two friends generally talk about? 3. Why was the crocodile's wife annoyed with her husband one day? 4. Why was the crocodile unwilling to invite his friend home? 5. What did the crocodile tell the monkey midstream? 6. How did the monkey save himself? Students, this is it for today's class. Thanks for listening to me patiently and carefully. Thank you so much.